Hello friends, I welcome you to YouTube channel MacPM, and in today's video we will solve a numerical problem which is based on the strength of double transverse fillet welded joint. So first of all, what is transverse fillet welded joint? So transverse means this is the direction of load, so perpendicular to this. If the welded joint is perpendicular to the direction of load, then it is called transverse joint. Okay, what is fillet? This portion is called fillet. Okay, and what is double means it is at two places, both the edges here and here, both the edges. This is welding is done. Okay, if it is one only up here, then it will become single transverse welding, but it is here and here at two places, so it is called double. So formula for strength P for double transverse welded joint is 1.414 sigma T L into S. So you can remember this formula, or you can just derive if you don't remember. Okay, so suppose this is a fillet, so let's draw it in zoomed. We have zoomed this fillet. Suppose we are assuming that this is perfect triangle. Okay, so this is plate 1, upper plate, and this is lower plate. Okay, so this is fillet. So if thickness of the plate is S, this plate thickness is also S, so this will become S, and this we also are assuming this is the S. Okay, so this is the throat, this is leg size of the weld, S, or thickness of the plate, this is same, and this is T, throat of the weld. Okay, so this is T. So this is, these two are equal, so this is 90 degrees, so it will become 45 degree, and this is also 45 degree. So at which point weld is weakest? Load, suppose load is applied P, so at which point load is at which point welding is weakest? So minimum width is here at throat. Okay, if you move here, you can see S is bigger than T, so T is minimum length of the weld or throat thickness. So here welding joint will be very weak. So what is T? See here, in this case you will see sine 45 degree is equal to T by S. So T is equal to S sine 45 degree. Okay, so sine 45 is equal to 0.707 into this is S. So this is throat thickness. So what will be the area of this throat? See, this is L. L is the length of the weld and T is the thickness. Okay, so area will become length into thickness, so it will become 0.707 L into S. So what is strength? This is under tensile load. As you can see, this joint is under tensile load, so strength will be equal to maximum allowed tensile stress into area, so it will become 0.707 LS into sigma T. Now there are two fillet joints. We have considered only for one fillet joint. There are two of similar length, same length, so it will become into 2, so it will become 1.414 S into L into sigma T. So this is the formula which we have already written here. Okay, now from the question we will note the important parameters. Steel plate is 10 cm wide, so this plate is 10 cm wide, so its length is 10 cm. Okay, and 1.25 meter thick, so thickness of the plate S is 1.25 cm, to be joined by the double lap welded joint. Okay, find the length of the weld if the maximum tensile stress is not to exceed. So maximum tensile stress sigma T is 75 Newton per mm square. Okay, the maximum tensile load carried by the plate is 100 kilonewton. So P is 100 kilonewton. See here it is in mm, so we have to convert this also in mm. So L is equal to 10 centimeter, which will be equal to 100 mm, and this will be equal to 12.5 mm. So if we apply this formula, P is equal to 1.414 S into L into sigma T, and put all the values, then P is 100 to 10 to the power 3 because it is kilonewton is equal to 1.414 into S is 12.5 into L is, we have to find L is given, but this is total length of the plate, total width of the plate. Suppose welding is not complete, welding is up to here, we required only here, so we have to find minimum length of welding to support this load. Okay, so we have to assume it is L, okay, and sigma is 75. So from here you will find L is equal to 100 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 1.414 into 12.5 into 75. So you will calculate it. If you will calculate, you will get L is equal to 75.4 centimeter. See, width of the plate was 100. So even if you not do welding of complete length from end to end of the plate, still if you do only up to 75 centimeter, sorry, 75 mm, still you can support this 100 kilonewton load. Okay, so I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section, and if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.